Number 1. Crescent 2-in-1 Combo Dual Material Linesman's Pliers and Wire Stripper. Unique design combines a lineman's plier and wire stripper in one tool. Makes quick and efficient work of wire connections by performing both cutting and stripping operations. Provides benefits of multi-purpose tool with the precision and performance of high-quality pliers.
Number 2. Rockwell Joe Horse Portable Material Support Station. The heavy-duty Joe Horse eliminates the need to call over a neighbor just to help you hold a project. Keep your hands free to use your tools instead of using them to brace your work. And raise your project off of the floor and up to a comfortable working height. The Joe Horse is really a 3-in-1 as it has workbench, vise, and machine press functionality. It's strong enough to handle metal bending or straightening, made of solid steel with 10 times the clamping force of a standard vise, and boasts the industrial pressing power of a 1-ton machine press. It's 43 pounds, which is substantial, but it needs to be to support 600 pounds projects with 1 ton of clamping pressure. Though it's designed with a whole host of features to make it easy to use. The rear leg doubles as a handle, and the front legs have unlockable wheels, so you can raise the back and push it around the job site like a wheelbarrow. Plus, the foot pedal does much of the clamping work for you, leaving your hands truly free. It's 33-inch by 15.5-inch by 15-inch when standing. Number 3. Senko Cordless Pneumatic Framing Nailer. Combining true pneumatic feel, speed and power with cordless convenience, it drives up to 31/2 inch by 0.148 inch framing nails into the hardest substrates without the expense and hassle of fuel cells. With its robust design and durable construction, it is ideal for professional framers and contractors. Number 4. Thread Repair Tool. The ultimate 15-piece thread repair kit for restoring threads that includes the most popular models. Everything a professional or serious homeowner needs to do any thread restoration quickly and easily. Reaches virtually any spot you will need to restore your threads. The best option to carry with you on troubleshooting jobs, maintenance calls, or a great kit to have in the shop at home. Rotary thread files restore damaged threads, removes corrosion and paint quickly and easily.
Number 5. Capri Tools Flex Head Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. Experience true 100-tooth flex head ratcheting wrenches in the tightest of spaces. With just 3.6 degrees of swing arc, they will make your job a whole lot easier. True single-pawl 100-tooth ratchet gear is achievable only through expert engineering and precise craftsmanship. Its unparalleled smooth ratcheting mechanism makes it a joy to use. All of these components are engineered to fit in a slim profile to make these the go-to wrench for pros. 180-degree flex head box end combined with slim profile gives you the ultimate flexibility. 12-point wave drive box end transfers torque uniformly and prevents damaging and rounding of the bolt. 0-degree offset on the box end gives you maximum clearance. Number 6. Welding Safety Goggles. The Pit Viper welding goggles were crafted with users in mind. Ideal usage for eye and face protection from welding with plasma jet or infrared welding with a 1 amp welding current maximum.
Number 7. Sanliang Digital Electronic Micrometer Set Measuring Tool. Accuracy is plus and minus 0.00005 inch. The digital micrometer measures 0 to 1 inch, 0 to 25 millimeters, with 0.00005 inch, 0.001 millimeters resolution. The hard carbide tip makes the micrometer caliper more durable. It helps provide uniform pressure for precise, repeatable measurements. Large display makes it easy to read. Number 8. Landworks Utility Cart Hand Truck Power Wagon Super Duty Electric 500-watt battery driven. This wheelbarrow or utility cart has a max working load capacity of 500 pounds and hauling capacity of 1,000 pounds at a maximum 15-degree upward slope. 2 to 5 hours of use per full battery charge, green and safe. Unlike gasoline devices, battery-powered produce no smog and are quieter. Number 9. Conduit Bender for half an inch EMT conduit with Benfield head. Perform accurate conduit bends such as stub-ups, offsets, back-to-backs and saddles repeatedly with this aluminum conduit bender. The wide foot pedal provides excellent stability and features angled grooves for extra traction. The bold cast-in benchmark symbols, degree scales and multiplier scales help save time on the job. Number 10. Wera Craftform Compact Zyklop Mini, set of 27.